Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Feuer with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, March 17, 2009. Irish Senator Feargal Quinn's family has bought 25% of Dublin-based private equity firm Claret Capital. According to Alt Assets, Domhnall Slattery, the firm's founder, will hand over control of a majority of shares in the business. The move to bolster the finances of the management firm, which manages Claret's investment projects, follows 12 job cuts in its Dublin headquarters at the end of last year. The Quinn family has invested in various Claret projects such as Jetbird and Blue Ocean Wireless. Staying with hedge fund news, hedge fund seeder SkyBridge Capital has promised an undisclosed amount to a New York-based emerging markets hedge fund, Union Avenue Advisors. According to Fin Alternatives, it is making the investment through SkyBridge Capital Fund. Union Avenue, founded last year by Thomas Grossman, targets the Asian, Latin American, European, African, and Middle Eastern equity markets. And in more hedge fund news, KKR private equity investors will sell parts of its 5 investments to a KKR-sponsored fund for $200.4 million in cash. According to Reuters, it will transfer stakes in Biomet, Dollar General, First Data, HCA, and the Nielsen Company to the fund. Each investment transferred to the fund was valued at $42.2 million at the end of the year. And in other hedge fund news, CITIC Securities International Partners, a joint venture between China's CITIC Securities and U.S. bank Evercore Partners, is planning to raise a $500 million private equity fund. According to the Financial Times, the fund will provide growth capital and consolidation capital to Chinese companies. The fund will provide advisory services for cross-border merger and acquisition transactions and investment management. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.